Hello guys, welcome back. This is RandoGEEK. All right, so we have an update regarding T-Mobile. All right, this is a big update if you ask me. This is very good news for the T-Mobile network. All right, the company itself. All right, this is basically a measure of development here for the company, showing everybody what the network is capable of. All right, and just how it can be used for the greater good in elevating businesses. Many businesses are starting to reach out to T-Mobile's 5G network for reliability, all right, for that speed, that 5G network capacity, all right? So you can find a link for this article down below. But here's what's going on. T-Mobile is launching the first ever 5G network slicing beta for developers. All right, this is a beta program to focus on video calling so developers can enhance capabilities for critical real-time communication applications. Beta participants already include Dialpad, Google, WebEx by Cisco, Zoom, and more. All right, so T-Mobile says that it's launched a network slicing beta for developers based on application type, initially focused on bringing video calling applications to the next level. Network slicing is what T-Mobile calls the new technology, which is enabled by 5G standalone architecture that can deliver optimal network performance characteristics based on a use case's requirements. With the only nationwide 5G SA network in the country, T-Mobile is uniquely positioned to unleash this game-changing capability. So T-Mobile says this is for developers who want to take video calling applications to the next level. All right. So with a customized network slice, developers can sign up to test video calling applications that require consistent uplink and download speeds, along with lower latency, which is near real-time responsiveness and increased reliability. There was a statement made by Ulf Ewaldson, who is the president of technology at T-Mobile. Ulf says that the wireless industry has talked about 5G network slicing for years, and at T-Mobile, we've been putting in the work to bring it to life, he says. He also says, thanks to our nationwide 5G SA network, T-Mobile is the only operator in the country capable of unlocking this technology so developers can immediately begin creating applications that can one day provide tangible benefits to wireless users everywhere. All right, so they say that data traffic on video calling apps has increased dramatically over the last few years as more people work remotely or stay connected with family and friends on the go. That's why T-Mobile is inviting developers to build new or create better versions of their applications through its network slicing beta. All right? Knowing the customized slice will provide their app with optimized network conditions, T-Mobile plans to expand the network slicing beta to additional application types and use cases in the future. T-Mobile's network slicing beta is available on iOS developers in Seattle and San Francisco and is expected to expand nationwide to Android later this year as device manufacturers adopt the slicing capabilities available on Android OS. Any video calling app developer, whether a large corporation or small startup, can sign up for the beta by using the Uncarrier's developer platform, DevEdge. And those in the greater Seattle area can join T-Mobile engineers at the 5G hub to test and validate this capability on their applications. They'll be among developers already working to supercharge applications from companies like Dialpad AI, Google, WebEx by Cisco, Zoom Video Communications Inc., and more. Brian Peterson, who is the Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of Dialpad, says, with the rise of hybrid workforce and an increase in complex applications, there has never been a more critical need for 5G. He also says that T-Mobile's 5G opens up incredible new possibilities for bringing mobile and AI applications to the next level. It gives us the ability to test new capabilities with features like network slicing and ultimately supercharge Dialpad and AI adoption for customers across the country. Amit Barev, who is the vice president of product management with WebEx by Cisco, says advanced 5G networks are more important than ever. Work increasingly happening on the go in today's area of hybrid work. All right. So He also says that we are proud to be working side by side with T-Mobile to harness cutting-edge features like network slicing that will deliver innovative solutions to customers that empower hybrid work. So T-Mobile has been demonstrating a continuous need to be involved in the highest areas of technology. Okay. We've seen a number of news reports where T-Mobile has been on record to express how they plan to use the 5G network build-outs for the greater good of businesses, to explore different areas of technology, to advance in those areas and excel by building relationships and partnerships with some of the biggest tech firms to date. All right. Google, Cisco, the list just goes on and on. We've read recently, not that long ago, Microsoft. All right. So T-Mobile is not limiting itself to just wireless. Okay. Just the wireless cellular service. Okay. That will always be there for them as far as we can tell. They're not abandoning, but they want to use this 5G network to be a part of bigger technologies. These are things that will help elevate T-Mobile's profits, build a bigger brand, and help the 5G network get recognized on the highest level, right? You're utilizing your network for more than just getting calls, all right? You're using it for businesses in real-time ways, all right? Video calling is a thing of the future, and it's very valid today. As the article discusses, remote work has been on a steady rise. Even though some people have been called back into offices, there's still a number that have found permanent positions working remotely. All right. And even more so, if something were to ever happen, like another pandemic, T-Mobile's got you covered. Basically, these companies have the product in line for the occasion, So this is where T-Mobile is validating itself, is showing its growth, showing its ability to use the 5G network in many different areas. So it's a level of strength, I think, for them. So that's why I say this is very big news for T-Mobile. I think they're doing things that are helping them separate themselves a bit from the rest, So I think it's good news. You guys can let me know down below. The link will be down below in the description as promised. I want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching. It's much appreciated. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.